He's filming. Look at this place. This is where we spent the night. On our way to Monument Valley, into Flagstaff, and home. Pack that stuff up.
Where's your bag?
Hey, what?
Throw this extra weight off my shit. You got that YouTube money now? You can buy new shit.
Oh boy. The bromance is over now.
Got all them Sturgis views.
You know, Beard is over there talking crap. This is where we stayed last night. The pool we got to swim in. The place is pretty cool. Time to hit the road. Alright. We're leaving Bluff, Utah. We're on our way to see Mexican Hat, Monument Valley, then off to our last hotel in Flagstaff. Got Bearded Bobber behind me. And these awesome cliffs and stuff around here, whatever you call them. The hotel last night was a pretty cool place. We were expecting it to be nice, and it was. Mexican Hat over there. Look at the hill behind there. Oh, and this one blocking the view. Alright, so yes, that is the Mexican. Oh, Mexican. Oh, Hat Rock. I was thinking, oh, Mexican. Yeah, Mexican. Alright, no cars behind us. Alright, a little dirt riding. Watch out over here, Bearded. It's bumpy. I think we're okay here. Find a good spot, and I'm gonna try to get that photo op, something like that, maybe. All right. Really need an adventure bike for here. Did Meatball Rebel cross the road to get to Mexican Hat? Oh, my bike too. Right, Baba? And there goes the car.
Get a good shot.
Yeah, look at this.
Ram.
There's Mexican Hat. and one trippy hill. Bearded's complaining about my bobber in the way. So this is something that was on my bucket list for years. And I finally get it right through Monument Valley. This should be fun. I wonder what's on the other side of the hill. Or maybe a tow truck. I can't tell. Let's see. I think it's in the turnout. That's in the turnout. Yeah. Maybe it's just lunchtime. Next 11 miles, running hamburgers. Oh, look, get my phone out. Nice. We're outside Monument Valley. It's still nice. Look at these. And I like the clouds today too. Worked out good for the pictures. And babble babble. Had to throw that one in there again. Alright, we're off to Flagstaff, Arizona for the last night of hotel night of the trip. And then we're off to Barstow, California. And then me and Bearded Bubba are gonna go our separate ways. And see that backpack? I got the last 400 miles to wear that 20-30 pound backpack to get home. And we'll see if I do a 700-mile day on the bobber tomorrow. I'm very tempted to give it a try. The last day, what the heck? So if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe.